I thought I'd share my thoughts with you on how I feel about these little taco holders. There's nothing worse of tacos, filling them all beautifully, and they topple over. It happens all the time. Even though they're flat bottom, it still happens. So these are so handy because, as you can see, they pack into a set, very small and convenient, which you can just put in a drawer. You often get 4 in a pack, and they're perfect, so you can fit them actually on any plate. Easy to clean. They do go in the dishwasher. And then to pack away, it's simple. They go back inside each other and quickly stacked, but you haven't lost your taco while at a lunch. So it's convenient, quick, simple. It's a very strong plastic. It's a very strong plastic. But they work very well. Simple design, nothing to it, but very, very effective. So I would recommend these to anyone wanting to have tacos and not wanting them to fall over and all their filling coming out. I would recommend getting yourself a batch of these. Perfect. Hope you enjoy them like I do.